Thank you so much. Thanks for such a beautiful invitation. Distinguished organizers, respected colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Today, we are not just discussing press freedom, we are defending the future of truth in a world that urgently needs it. It is a privilege to join you today virtually from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia on the occasion of World Press Freedom Day. I extend my sincere appreciation to the Park Media Journalist Forum International for convening this time and important dialogue. This year's theme is Shaping a Future at Peace, Promoting Press Freedom and Human Rights Development and Security, reflects fundamental truth. Responsible journalism is not merely a profession. It is a pillar of stability, a catalyst for development, and a bridge toward peace. In an increasingly complex global environment, the role of media has expanded far beyond reporting. Today, journalists navigate a landscape shaped by rapid technological change, information overload, digital transformation, and growing concerns around safety. According to UNESCO, more than 80% of the world's population lives in environments where press freedom faces varying degree of constraint, while journalists, particularly in conflict-affected regions, continue to face serious risks. These realities demand not only protection of journalistic space, but also a renewed commitment to responsibility. Accuracy, balance, and ethical reporting are essential to ensuring that journalism strengthens society rather than divides them. In times of geopolitical tension, the power of media becomes even more consequential, with responsible journalism helping to de-escalate narratives, counter misinformation, and foster informed dialogue. From the perspective of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, we are witnessing a period of dynamic transformation under Vision 2030. The kingdom is advancing reforms that promote economic diversification, social development, and global engagement. The media sector is evolving alongside this transformation, embracing innovation and encouraging content that reflects both national identity and international perspective. Saudi Arabia has also consistently supported dialogue, stability, and humanitarian cooperation. The kingdom remains among the leading global humanitarian donors, contributing billions of dollars through initiatives such as the King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center, supporting communities across multiple regions, while also playing a constructive role in diplomatic efforts aimed at encouraging peace solution. In the context of ongoing regional challenges, including conflicts in the Middle East, the importance of responsible media cannot be overstated. The narratives we shape influence public perception, international understanding, and the broader climate of stability, making it essential that journalism remains grounded in truth, integrity, and constructive engagement. As a Saudi journalist, I believe the future of media lies in one powerful word: trust. Trust between journalists and the public, trust between institutions and society, and trust between nations. This trust is built through transparency, accountability, and professional ethics. We must also prioritize the safety and well-being of journalists. Protecting those who bring forward information is not only a professional necessity, but a shared responsibility requiring collective action. In closing, let us reaffirm that a free and responsible press is not a luxury. It is a foundation for peace, development, and human dignity. As journalists, we don't just tell stories. We shape narratives, influence minds, and carry the responsibility of truth. In a world facing uncertainty, let us choose dialogue over division, facts over fear, and responsibility over sensationalism. Let us commit together to shape a future where the media does not merely report the world, but helps improve it. From the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, under Vision 2030, we are witnessing how development, openness, and responsible communication contribute to stability, opportunity, and global engagement. A future where truth builds trust, a trust built peace. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You have mentioned your narrative very clearly, and in the time of crisis, how much media has the importance. You had a very clear message, and together we can really change the game, and we will try to do it. And this conference is all for that. Thank you so much, Dr. Sameera Aziz. Thank you for being our guest. It's so nice talking to you, listening to you.